Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to our channel. In today's session, we are going to start the next lesson, Taro's Reward. Taro is a name of young boy. He was a woodcutter. In this story, we are going to know how the boy Taro was rewarded. How was he facilitated? Right? Before starting the story, we have the glimpse of the story and the list of the new words. Glimpse of the story. This is a Japanese folk tale about a young lad, Taro, who is a poor woodcutter. He loves his old parents very much, but because of his poverty, he is unable to fulfill their wishes. He works very hard to fulfill the desires of his parents and at last granted with a miraculous boon in return. This is a Japanese folktale. Folktale means a story which is passed on from generation to generation. Here it is given. Folktale, a very old traditional story from a particular place that was originally passed on to people in a spoken form. A story which is not written by any particular person, it is just a spoken form passed on from generation to generation, right? It is a Japanese folktale about a young lad. Lad means boy, youngster, Taro. He was a woodcutter. His profession was cutting the wood. He loves his old parents very much, but because of his poverty, he is unable to fulfill their wishes. He loved his parents very much. He looked after his parents with great care and affection, right? He was unable to fulfill the desires of his parents. He works very hard to fulfill the desires of his parents and at last granted with a miraculous boon in return. Finally, he was helped by the God in unexpected way. Right? This is a story how the boy was rewarded that we are going to study. Right? Next one, lad, a young man or a boy. Woodcutter, a person who cuts wood to earn his living. Miraculous, completely unexpected and very lucky. Unexpected, not imagined, right? Miraculous means fortunate, miracle. Last one, boon, something that is very helpful and improves the quality of life. This is about glimpse of the story. Now we have the list of new words. First one is hillside. Hillside means the area which is at the side of a hill. Near to the hill or mountain is called hillside. The place or area which is near to the hill is called hillside. Whistled. Whistled means made a high pitched sound. Whistling. In sports, the umpires while playing Coco, the instructions are given through the whistle, right? Whistled, made a high pitched sound. Next one, crack. Crack means to break without complete separation of parts. Crack means we find the cracks on the wall. Separation of the parts. Separation of the parts is called crack. Next one, sake. Sake, a Japanese drink made up of rice. It is generally used to keep the body warm. It is a Japanese expensive drink. Sake is a Japanese expensive drink which is made up of rice. Next one, sadder. Comparative form of adjective sad. Sad, sadder, saddest. It is comparative form. Positive, comparative and superlative. These are the three forms of adjectives. Sad is positive, sadder is comparative and saddest is superlative. Next one, heartwarming. Causing feelings of pleasure and happiness. Heartwarming means something which gives pleasure and happiness. Next one is expensive. Expensive means costly. Costly or costing a lot of money. Luxurious, right? Next one, usual. Habitual or normal. Day-to-day activity is called usual. Chopped, repeated sharp blows of an axe or knife to cut something. It is action of cutting. Cut. Right? Chop means cut. Chopped, cut. Next one, kneeling. Bending down on knees. Bending down on knees for the prayer. It is kneeling. It is a posture, right? Next one, cupped. Cupped means held in hand by making the shape of a bowl. By using the palms, fingers, we form the bowl posture. That is cupped. It is used to get something or to ask something. Bowl, cupped. Delicious. Delicious means highly pleasant to the taste. Very tasty. Delicious means very tasty. Pitcher. Pitcher means a container or a big jug. A container. It is a vessel, a jug. Hurried. Done in a hurry or rushed. Run at high speed. Hurried means run at high speed. Delighted. Feeling or showing great pleasure, happiness. Delighted means happiness, pleasure. Next one, shivering. Shivering means shaking slightly and uncontrollably as a result of being cold. Due to the harsh weather, something we feel unpleasant, uncontrollable, slightly shaking is called shivering. Politely. Politely means very kindly, in a respectful and considerate manner. Politely means humbly, humble, polite. Next, greedily. In a way that shows an excessive desire to get something more than he or she needs. Expecting more is called greedy or greediness, greedily. Next one, nightfall. The onset of a night or dusk. The evening duration is called nightfall. Next one, throughout, in every part of or a place or object. Every part of a place or object is called throughout. Next one, procession. A number of people moving forward in an order, especially as a part of ceremony. Procession is a number of people moving forward in an order, especially as a part of a ceremony. Procession is a part of celebration during Dasara in Mysuru. A huge procession is held, right? Next one, knelt. It is past tense form of kneel, means bend down on knees. Kneel, knelt, kneeling. Tricked, an action that is intended to deceive, either as a way of cheating someone or as a joke of form of entertainment. Tricked means fooling, fooling. Next one, muttering. Muttering means a privately expressed complaint or expression of dissatisfaction. Expression of disagree is called muttering. Expression of the anger that expressed in a low voice, muttering. Disappointment, sadness caused by the non fulfillment of one's hope or expectation. Sadness, disappointment means sadness, which is caused by the non fulfillment of one's hope or expectation. Thoughtful, thoughtful means carefully considering things. One who is well aware of the things is called thoughtful. Rewarded, give something to someone in recognition of their service, efforts, or achievements. Someone who wins the race, someone who stands first in the class will be rewarded. Something will be given as a recognition, right, for his achievements. Encourage, give support, confidence, or hope to someone. Encourage means give support, confidence, or hope to someone. Encouraging. Honor. Honor means a quality that combines respect, being proud, and honesty. It is a quality. Honor is a quality that combines respect as well as proud. These are the list of new words. I hope you understood this. You have to write all these words in the notebook neatly and prepare well for the next coming story. That is very interesting. Right? Thank you. Have a nice day.